I'm going to show you how to get these two files up into where they need to be on AutoCAD in order for you to plot and print. So first thing, save those two files to a folder on your computer, and then anywhere within AutoCAD that you want. And then first thing you're going to do is make sure that you've copied them so that they are so that you pick it like this, right click and pick copy, because you're not going to be able to do that once you get into AutoCAD. So now that you've copied them and they're hanging out in your clipboard, come back over here to AutoCAD, go up to File, pick Print, Manage Plot Styles. It's right down there on the basement, and this window pops up. Right click and pick Paste, and then those two HP Regular and HP Fine will show up here. And then just go ahead and close this. Now you will have to restart AutoCAD in order for those to take effect.